In this video, I will demonstrate how to open Microsoft Excel and enter data into a blank workbook. To open Excel, click the Start button, scroll down to the E's, click Excel, click Blank Workbook. You'll notice that Microsoft Excel automatically opens with A1 selected. I'm going to enter data that I will be using in the next few videos in my video series. So if you would like to be able to perform the steps as you're watching the videos, you may want to go ahead and enter the data at the same time that you're watching the video. You could position the Microsoft Excel window and the YouTube window side by side. So I'm going to go ahead and open up YouTube so that you could see how this works. And you would just snap the video to the side, and then you would click on the Excel spreadsheet and you would be able to have them side by side, play the video, and enter the data. Alternatively, you can just watch the video demonstration and then pause at the end and then enter the data into Excel. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that down, maximize Excel, and I'm going to begin entering my data. In cell A1, I'm going to type Beads by Brenda. When I press enter, you'll notice that it automatically moves me to the next cell. In cell A2, I'm going to type quarterly sales by state. And this time, I want to show you that instead of pressing enter, I can click the enter button right up here. And when you click the enter button, it enters the data, but A2 is still the selected cell. I'm going to go ahead and press the enter key, and I'm going to type in today's date. I'm going to click in cell B5, and in cell B5 I'm going to type first quarter, and since I want to move to the right, I'm going to use the tab key to enter the data and move me to the next cell. In cell C5 I'm going to type second quarter, tab, and then in D5 third quarter, and in E5 I'll type fourth quarter, and in F5 I'm going to type the word totals. I'm not concerned with the fact that the data doesn't fit within the cell. I can change the column width later. I also want to point out that when you're working in Excel, you can use your navigation keys on your keyboard. You'll want to locate where the up and down arrows are and the left and right. That will allow you to navigate within Microsoft Excel. In cell A6, I'm going to go ahead and type Washington. In A7, I'll type California. In A8, I will type Nevada. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and type in my numerical data. So I'm in cell B6. The numbers are representing currency, but I'm not going to add the $ or the decimal point just yet. I want to show you how to format your cells in a future video. So in B6, I'm going to go ahead and type in my data, and each time that I type in the number, I press the enter key, which moves me down. I can use my mouse to click in the cell that I want to be in. If you need to, go ahead and pause this video so that you can enter this information into Excel. I'm going to go ahead and save this workbook. So I'm going to click File, Save As. I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to click my desktop, and I'm going to change the name of this to Beads by Brenda Quarterly Sales. And then I'm going to click Save. If you're looking over your work and you found any typographical errors, you would be able to click on the cell, and then you click up here in the formula bar. You'll notice the cursor will appear, and you can fix any mistakes that you may have made. You could also type directly over text. You could click the cell, and you can change the information within that cell. So that's it for this video.